Eileen, you look as though you're enjoying your job.
I am, very much.
How long have you been here?
15 and a half years.
You must have done every kind of job in the factory.
Not every kind, but I've done quite a few.
What do you think of Aldershot, love?
I love it.
Why?
My mother came to Aldershot in 1908, and she had 5 daughters, and we all married soldiers.
Now, Ursula, how long has your husband been in the army?
15 years.
15 years.
Yes.
Now, do you want to go on living here in Aldershot?
No.
Why?
Well, it's too small, too quiet for one thing. Too many soldiers around.
Is that right? Someone said to me that all the chickens here are cocks.
No. Who told you that?
One of the girls said.
You're getting at me, aren't you?
No, I'm not,
Yes,
honestly.
you are.
That's what
yes,
she said.
Yes, I know you. I've heard all about you.
Oh, that's nice. I hope it was all nice. What do you think of Aldershot?
I don't mind it, but they've got no entertainment and that here. They've only got the cinemas or a disco, that's all.
But in my young days, there was nearly every regiment in the British Army stationed here, and they all had their own dance hall. So you could go to a dance for 2 pence and 4 pence.
What else do you do?
Trussing,
Trussing,
shaping,
shaping.
weighing them tickets, and then boss stitch.
Do you ever get your weights wrong?
Oh yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Well,
they soon get put right.
Well, I notice you've just given me a £6 chicken for a £3.5 one.
Oh, you're craft, ain't you?